Hi guys, this is Eliza. I have tips for passing the PCCN test. For me, this one really works. Number one, schedule a test date. Timeline is very important. You need to have a scheduled date already so that it will motivate you to study. Number two, schedule yourself or register yourself sa ACCN.com. Why did I say that? It's because they give discounts sa actual test na babayaran mo. And ang isa pa dito is they have sample tests. That's very, very important na kinakategorize niya according to systems. And for me, it really works dahil ang mga sample tests dito are the same sample questions na will come out sa actual test ng PCCN. Also, that's very important and advantage of joining or registering in ACCN is that they record your progress. They're gonna know or you're gonna know if you are weak on this certain kind of systems. And with this breakdown of systems, you're gonna know kung ano ang weakness mo and you have to pay attention to that. But always make sure majority ng test is more on cardiovascular and respiratory. Cardiovascular and respiratory. And also the questions tackles more on what you encounter in the actual unit in a PCU. Like I said, cardiovascular, respiratory, and also endocrine and stuff. Pero importante, cardiovascular. Also, take note of sepsis and DKA. Blood gases too are also important, so you have to take note of that one as well. Number 3, always have a set schedule for study. During your day off, allot like at least 1 to 2 hours to study so that you have an actual routine and it's automatic for you to do it. Number 4, one thing that really motivates me is that I put my name in front of a notebook, or I just put my name and I put there PCCN, you can do it. So that would really like set your mind na, oh, I'm gonna have that PCCN test and I'm gonna pass it. It's showing you na you are ready to take the test and you are gonna get it. Number 4, when you test yourself under the systems, if your score is less than 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10, review again. It means na hindi mo pa alam yung system na yon. Number 5, visit the actual place of your testing. For me, hindi ako masyadong sa places. So what I did is few days before the test, I actually go to the testing center to see where it's at para alam mo kung saan ka pupunta. Number 6, always come there on the testing date early, at least 15 minutes before the actual testing time so that you're not gonna be on a rush. Number 7, do not review anymore the day before the test. Refresh your mind, relax your mind. Mahirap mag-ahol sa actual na test. So, dapat clear yung mind mo the day before the test. And lastly, if you're a Catholic, I'm a Catholic, I pray. I always pray every day and I pray before the test. So God will give me the guidance and the correct answer. You can do it. I know you can. You're gonna be a PCCN certified.